Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Premiere Pro open and your sequence loaded. Now select the text or graphic layer in the timeline. In Essential Graphics, click the specific text box to activate its controls so you can edit properties. Once selected, switch to the Program Monitor and Effects Controls panels for a live preview. This gives you immediate feedback while you change size. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted, so adjustments affect only that text box and not other elements. You can resize visually by dragging the corner handles in the Program Monitor. Hold Shift to keep proportions if you need uniform scaling. For precision, change font size, scale, and tracking inside Essential Graphics or Effects Controls. Once done with visual sizing, use Motion Scale for numeric values or add the Transform effect to decouple scaling from rotation. These options let you control how text fills the box and how it behaves in animations, which prevents clipping or After resizing, fine-tune position with anchor point and padding so text stays readable across devices. Use safe margins to confirm visibility. When exporting, if shapes or effects look wrong, rasterize or convert the text to a graphic to lock appearance. If text clips or wraps unexpectedly, either enlarge the text box, reduce font size, or switch to a slightly wider font because font metrics affect layout. If problems continue, restart Premiere Pro to clear cached previews and confirm changes persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.